Hey y'all, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be telling you guys basically how to start your lip gloss business below $50. It might come up to $60, probably a little above 50, but it's not gonna be that much. I'm gonna be leaving the link to everything down below. So for all of you guys who've been asking me where I get my stuff from, this is a video for you, and just keep watching.
You ain't the one for me, you ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you, maybe I'm not your speed, maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese, maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace, everybody notice me.
Okay, so first things first, the lip gloss base is like $6.75. It's $6.45 on TKB Trading. I'm gonna leave it somewhere up here, the picture. I don't have a picture of what it looks like in person, but this is what the 3.5 bag looks like. Alright, so TKB Trading, I don't know if you guys can see that. The 5.5 bag is $6.45. And before, I believe it was 5 and change. I don't have an actual picture at hand, so I can't really show you, but this is what it looks like. And I usually buy the 3.5 bag, which is $50, but it went up to $57. So after taxes, it's probably going to be $60 and change. Plus the shipping and handling is going to be more money. But yeah. The syringes I bought from Amazon. And I paid $10 for 10 of them. And this is the 6 ml. Let me see if I can find an actual picture. Alright, so this is the 60 ml. You get 10 for $10.99. You guys can see that. And this is how big it is. And for the lip gloss tubes, this is the 10 ml. This is a good size to start off with. And on Amazon, it is 20 pieces for $3.76. And for the pigment, this pigment is from TKB Trading, as well as these. This is the 15 ml, and it was, this one was $3.60. Is it $3.65? I believe this was $2.65, as well as this one. And this one was $1.65. The preservative oil is also from TKB Trading, and it's $3.65 as well. And this is how small it is. I believe this is the smallest one. Let me see if I can find a picture. Okay, so this is the smallest one. This is the preservative oil. The smallest is the 15 ml, and it is $3.65. Okay, so it's right here. Right here. And that's basically if you plan on selling the lip gloss to make it last longer, you need to use it. You find a picture of the pigment. The pigments are different sizes. I believe the assorted, it depends on which one you get. It might be more expensive or cheaper. This is what it looks like. This is the sample pack, and it's 6 grams. This one was $2.65. Or if you want, you could get different colors. The sorted for 14. This one is $14.65. And it comes with 9 colors. For some reason, these were always sold out. Like, I never seen them restock on them. Okay, so this is what the logo looks like on here, on my lip gloss. I don't know if you can really see it because of the little oranges in there. Here's a better look. And I made this logo myself on PixArt because somebody stole. I paid for a logo and somebody stole it, so, and cropped my name out, so I had to make my own. This is the app that I use. Where is it? Right here, PixArt. Or if you're trying to save money, you can use the method that I used. I have a video on it with the tape and computer paper. All you have to do is print it out from a computer and use tape, put it on top of it, and dip it in hot water. If you guys want to see that video, I will link it somewhere up here. Alright, so the disposable spoons. It came with 51 pieces. This is the ones I bought. It came with 51 pieces for $1.99, which is not bad. And these are the disposable plates that I use. I usually get the deep ones so the lip gloss won't fall out when you're mixing it, because I had that issue before. So make sure you get the deeper ones. I believe that's all for now. If I left anything out, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.